Well, not everyone is on board with the new federal requirements. Idaho Governor Brad Little and the State Board of Education have joined multi-state lawsuits opposing the measures, and federal funding could hang in the balance. Our Anna Zalian has more.
Governor Little put out a statement Thursday about the state's stance on federal vaccine mandates. He said, not surprisingly, President Biden is plowing forward with his OSHA rule to punish America's businesses. Yet another unprecedented federal overreach into the private sector. I've been actively working with Attorney General Lawrence Wasden and my legal team, and we will join a multi-state lawsuit Friday to stop this latest attempt to force the private sector to police President Biden's vaccine mandates. In addition to these lawsuits to stop federal vaccine requirements, the Idaho House of Representatives plans to reconvene on November 15th to pass legislation on vaccine mandates. But constitutional law professor Shakira Sanders says it might not matter, as state-level legislation would likely be preempted by existing federal rules.
Unless a court rules that that federal law or those regulations are unconstitutional.
Sanders says she expects opposing states to make arguments about religious exemptions, claim that mandates exceed the federal government's authority, and that states control the health and safety of its citizens.
That's where I think they're going to have some difficulty in the argument, given individuals' ability to leave their state and possibly spread contagion across state lines.
Sanders also expects the federal government to counter these arguments by asserting that containing the spread of COVID-19 is a national issue.
Because the federal government's argument is very well going to be, states aren't doing anything, businesses are coming to us, right? And so we're trying to help the business. We're trying to help the national economy.
Sanders says the courts will decide the constitutionality of the mandates, or maybe not.
And so it very well could be a court says, hey, right, we're going to put this case on a slow track. Let this play out. Ultimately, these issues could be moot.
For now, all employees at companies with 100 or more employees and all federal contractors are required to get vaccinated by January 4th or get tested for COVID-19 weekly. Anna Azalian, Idaho News 6.